Boltund V. Box. Turn it around. Charge towards victory with Boltund V. By channeling electricity into its legs, Boltund V can run non-stop for 3 full days using versatile moves. Using versatile moves, this quick Pokemon has the speed you need to unleash electrifying combos in your next Pokemon TCG Max. In addition to Boltund V, it both playable and display sizes, so big card. You'll find a foil promo card featuring Walu to keep Boltund company, plus extra features in the TCG package. The top and the sides all the same, like usual. Big card, couple packs, code. Big card, Boltund V. I'm trying to readjust the camera. Walu. And a code, not code, Boltund V, the little version of the card. Brilliant Stars. Chickling. Electabuzz. Bidoof. Sneasel. Grimer. Cooker. NTV. Metal Energy. Friends and Galar. Guy with Big Nose. Teeny Yell Grunt. And a code. They weren't really grunts. Team Yell are more fanboys and girls. Fusion Strike. The Boxer. Little Blue Bird. Ice Monkey. Can't tell. Panda. Reverse. The Kiss version of Zigzagoon's evolution. Fire Energy. That thing. Yellow Girl. Red Panda's evolution and a code. The word's too small for me to see, because I'm recording the audio afterwards. I didn't think things through. Execute. Farfetched. Shinx. I've had this pack before. Except for that guy, he's different. And that guy. Fighting Energy. Yell Grunt. The big white guy. Boxing gloves and a code. Evolving Skies. No one cares about this set. Phoebus, Hippo, Lillipup, Lillipup. Reverse Starfish, that thing, Dark Energy, Fighting Sloth, Pink Ball, Girl from Delta, and Code. And that's the recap. I guess Entei be my favorite card out of the set. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Probably not. No one watches this thing. Even this series is dying on my channel.